In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install Ring and Wise. First, grab your Android device and navigate to the Google Play Store. You can find the Play Store icon on your home screen or in your app drawer. Once you open the store, you'll see a search bar at the top. This is where you will enter the name of the app you want to download. It's important to ensure you're downloading the correct app as there are many lookalikes. Next, in the search bar, type in Ring. As you type, suggestions might pop up beneath the search bar. This is a helpful feature that speeds up the process. After you finish typing, hit the search button on your keyboard. This will bring up a list of apps related to your search. You should see several options, but we're looking for the official Ring app. Now look for the app that has the name Ring Book Always Home. It should be prominently displayed, often with the Ring logo next to it. Selecting the correct app is crucial because using unofficial apps can lead to security concerns. Once you find it, tap on the app icon to view more details about it. After that, you will see an option to install the app. If you are using an Android device, tap the Install button. If you are on an iPhone, you will tap Get instead. This step is essential as it starts the download process. Once you tap the button, you will see the app downloading, and it may take a few moments based on your internet speed. Once the app has finished downloading, you will see an Open button appear. Tap that button to launch the Ring app. On the screen, you will be greeted with a welcome message. Here, you will have the option to sign in if you already have an account, or create a new one if you're a first-time user. Now, if you already have a Ring account, simply enter your Ring account credentials. This typically includes your email and password. If you don't have an account yet, tap on the option to create a new account. This step is important because having an account allows you to access all features of the app. After signing in or creating your account, you will move on to the main screen of the app. Here, you will see various options and settings. If you have a Ring device, you can set it up by tapping on the Set Up a Device button. This step guides you through connecting your Ring device to Wi-Fi, which is crucial for the device's functionality. Next up, follow the on-screen instructions carefully. The app will provide you with prompts to connect your Ring device to your Wi-Fi network. Make sure you have your Wi-Fi credentials ready as you will need to enter them during this process. This ensures that your device stays connected to the internet, allowing you to access it remotely. Once you have completed the setup, your Ring device should be connected to your Wi-Fi network. You may see a confirmation message indicating that the connection was successful. This means your device is now ready to use. You can start monitoring your home and receiving alerts. In summary, you have successfully installed the Ring app and set up your device. This process is vital for maintaining the security of your home. With the app installed, you'll have peace of mind knowing you can monitor your property at any time. Thank you for watching and enjoy using your Ring app.